Hi, Maria here for Beauty Junkies, here to demonstrate how to use the Beauty Junkies FAB Nails Glass Nail File and Buffer. Getting beautifully manicured nails doesn't have to cost you extra time and money at the salon. This amazing little tool is quick and easy to use anytime, anywhere. The FAB nail file is made of high quality glass material and even comes with its own little case to keep it protected when you're on the go. To get that perfectly polished look, you will use the textured side to shape your nails. Simply file back and forth until you've achieved the shape you desire. The textured side of the FAB nail file is gentle but very effective in shaving down your nails so you can achieve your desired shape quickly and easily. Once you have achieved your desired nail shape, you can then use the FAB nail file to buff your nails, sealing the keratin layers together, preventing peeling and chipping. To do this, go ahead and take the same textured side and place it on top of your nails and buff back and forth until your nails are smooth and shiny. This is perfect for those who can't wear nail polish but still want that manicured look, because this will give your nails a beautiful, all-natural shine. Here you can see the results and the difference this FAB nail file makes. Lastly, because this is a glass nail file, it can be reused multiple times and can easily be cleaned with just water. And that's how you use the Beauty Junkies FAB Nails Glass Nail File. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.